How we doing? This is gonna be a real quick video, just an update. I had someone get joined with me at the 150 level with the Infinity Processing System, and they asked me about how to get everything going in the back office. So I wanted to make this video for you, Donald. Thanks for getting started with me, and congratulations to you on getting started with Infinity Processing System. Now, real quick, income disclosure: you are not guaranteed to make the income, but if you put the effort and the drive, you can make a substantial living with Infinity Processing System as a whole, a educational service in the e-learning space. Now I just want to go over real quick. So once he got joined, how to get started. So how does it work and how to get started? Follow our simple three-step system to start making 100% commissions. Step 1, join at one of the levels, get access to your product and step-by-step digital training. We show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on social media to drive tons of traffic to your offer. Start collecting 100% daily commissions straight to your account. This is a social media blueprint to show it's the main core of the training is attraction marketing. So it teaches you how to attract customers to you and your offer, so you're not spamming in people's inboxes, you're not asking friends and family to join up with you. It has extensive training over in the back office. I'll go over real quick the products that comes in here. So he got started at the 150 Elite level, and what he get access to will be able to earn 150 and 50 on commissions, 100 pre-written ads, 40 bonus imaging ads, winning mindset formula, auto persuasion and influence, 7-day access plan, so you're not lost. You know where to go, where to start, how to start getting traffic to your offer. 6-figure closing script, so you know what to say and how to say when someone's asking you about your opportunity. Facebook marketing strategy, 60 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing strategy, Facebook support group, Instagram marketing, YouTube automation, how to get 2 to 5 sales per day with automation, and how to create a 6-figure automated funnel. So that'll be how you join with the system and get going. Then once you are allowed into your back office, you're going to come here, click here to unlock your training and pay the admin fee, which is a one-time $30 admin fee. That's how the owner of the system get paid, to unlock all your training and to get access to all the training within your back office. So make sure you pay the $39 admin fee once you sign up and join. Now, if you're still here with me, I do have an action taker bonus. If you start at the $300 level and if you start at the 150, I'm going to send 100 targeted clicks to your opportunity through a solo vendor ad, a trusted solo vendor, so that way you get off the ground running, because I'm here to help. It's not about a money issue, but to help as many people start an at-home business as possible. And if this is something that you want to do, you'll have my full support. I have my Facebook link down in the description where you can get with me on Messenger, and we can go through the system together. And if this is something for you, get you started. And I said, I'm going to keep this real quick, simple, and short. That's my time. That's y'all time, because it's real precious. And thanks for taking the time to check out my channel, Direct Pay Marketing. I enjoyed you guys here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box if you want to know more about Infinity Processing System or more about marketing tips. That's what I got for you. And I'm going to get out of here, let you go get with your family, because I'm about to get with mine. I'll see you guys later. I'm out.